Karma Guy here from Karma Automotive Group. Let me tell you about a fantastic find. A 2014 Audi Q5 3.0T Premium Plus Sport Utility. This beauty has a clean Carfax, extremely low mileage at just 20,000 miles, and a full dealer service history. It's certified pre-owned, which means it comes with a Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles, and a 5-year maintenance plan you can grab at a discounted price when you buy. There's also an option to upgrade to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. One note, if there's a price reduction, it won't qualify for the CPO status or warranty. Feel free to reach out for a pre-purchase inspection. It's the best way to make sure you're getting quality and peace of mind with this incredible vehicle.